Welcome students to my new channel, and here I am present before you with a new topic. Today we are going to do science for class 3. This is your book and we are going with explanation, concept and study support. You can subscribe the channel Malakar Mam's Academy as your regular study material. Yes. Chapter 6, we are going to do what do animals eat? This is part 1 I'm going to present before you, and very soon behind this I will be uploading part 2. So first you are having your recap quiz. Tick the correct option. An animal that eats only plants is the yes. Among zebra is the only one who eats only plants. An animal that keeps the jungle clean by feeding on the flesh of dead animals is, yes, hyena. Rabbit eats only the flesh of other animals, both plant and flesh of other animals, or only plants. Yes, only plants is the correct answer. A bird that eats only the flesh of other animals is the, yes, of course, it's eagle. Grass is eaten by deer and deer is eaten by, absolutely right, it's lion. Insects are food for both sparrows and frogs. Okay, so here we see that today we are going to learn about food that animals eat. Yes, let us explore what we can discover from this one. Animals are divided into three main categories based on type of food they eat. And what type of food they eat? They eat plants, they eat flesh. Some of the animals eat both. So, those animals who eat only plants are called herbivores, whereas those who feed on flesh of other animals, they are called carnivores. And some creatures are there who eat plants also and flesh of other animals also, and they are known as omnivores. Here are some herbivores. You can see some are being seen around our house, whereas some are seen in the zoo because they are wild animals. They live in jungle, right? So zebra, elephant, panda, deer, ape, that is gorilla, they are plant eaters. And some animals whom we see around our house, those are domestic animals like cow, goat, right? These are domestic animals. Now here you can see carnivores. Yes, they feed on the flesh of other animals. So you can see they are tiger, lion, cheetah, hyena, shark, wolf. All these are carnivores. Whereas omnivores love to have both. And who are in this category? Tiger. No, it's dog, cat, bear, peacock. Yes, and crow, vulture. They are also known as scavengers. Okay, so these are omnivores. How? Like bear loves to eat fish as well as it loves to have honey. Right? Cat loves to have milk. At the same time, it loves to have fish also. So they are called omnivores. Some animals that feed only on fruits are called frugivores. Yes, You can see the picture and examples of them. So they eat only fruits. Now here, animals need food. Why? To grow and to carry out life activities just like human beings, because they are also living things. Horses are plant-eating animals. Bear eat both plant and the flesh of other animals. Here we can see one activity is there. Some animals eat only a particular type of food. For example, giant panda. Let us do some research on giant panda. You can see so cute they are. What is their main food? Giant pandas eat bamboo, which makes up 99% of their diet. They eat the leaves, stems and shoots of various bamboo species. So they have only bamboos. Can you think? Only one kind of food. Where are they found? Giant pandas are found in the mountains of South Central China. Write any two main characteristic features of giant panda. Main features are as follows. An adult panda can weigh up to 150 kg. They are excellent climbers and swimmers. Yes, they love to climb on the trees because they are always plant eaters, and at the same time they are also good swimmers. Do you think eating only one type of food can be of any disadvantage to the animal? Give reason. Yes, of course. Eating only one type of food can be disadvantageous to animals for several reasons. What are they? A single food source may not provide all the necessary nutrients, leading to deficiencies and related health issues. Whereas a specialized diet can make animals less adaptable to changes in their environment or food availability. The giant panda is the logo of an international organization that helps to protect the environment. So let us find out the name and the logo. So you can see the giant panda is the logo of World Wildlife Fund as a symbol of an endangered species. Logo of World Wildlife Fund. And you can see the logo over here. It's a lovely panda. Now we will learn how animals feed. So students, you can understand how animals feed. Different animals eat food in different ways depending upon the mode of eating. Now, what are the different modes? They are, some are flesh eaters, some are plant eaters, right? So the animals have different shape of jaws and mouth and kind of teeth. So let us see that one. The type of mouth, teeth or jaws herbivores have are of these type. They are a little bit flat and the front teeth are sharp, right? So the structure of their teeth is somehow like these. You can see the structure. It is the arrangement of teeth are somehow like this. Whereas the teeth and mouth and jaws of carnivores are like these. You can see sharp teeth in front, some of them are flat, and they are having even sharp teeth at the back of their jaws to chew the bones and flesh. So here you can see the structure of carnivore. Okay, how their front teeth are working for hunting and eating flesh and bones. Carnivores have sharp incisors and pointed canine teeth perfectly designed for tearing and grinding their food. Animals that tear and grind their food have sharp, long, pointed teeth. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew the meat and bones. You can see that one, that which is the structure of the teeth which helps them to eat their food properly. Now, what type of teeth do omnivores have? You can see that what type of teeth they have. These are omnivores. One of them is human being also. We are also omnivores. So jaws and teeth shape is just like this. It's flat and some of the teeth in front are sharp. So animals that swallow their food. Now some of the animals are there. They swallow their food just like this. You can see that how the frog is eating the insect with its long tongue. And on this long tongue there are some sticky materials and the insect just stick on it and the frog swallow it. Okay, just swallow it. And here you can see snake is one more example of that one. They swallow their food. Whole of the chick has been swallowed by the python. So, what is chewing the cud? So, let us understand that what is chewing the cud. Cows and buffaloes swallow their food just after chewing it once. After some times, when they relax, they bring a small amount of the swallowed food back into their mouth and rechew the food well. When they are sitting, relaxing, you can see they are chewing their food just like this picture. This is known as chewing the cud. Okay, this process is known as chewing the cud. Now, what is gnawing? The repeated biting of food with two front teeth in the upper and lower jaw is called gnawing. You can see the pictures how the rat is eating this biscuit. So they are having two front teeth which are quite long little bit, and even the squirrel you can see. So the repeated bite which they give, and here which they are giving, this process is called gnawing. Okay. How do giraffe use its long neck? Giraffe has a long neck which helps them to reach the branches of the tall tree. So the body of the giraffe is also very helpful. So whatever nature has made us, we all should be satisfied with that, because we somehow we are useful for some or the other reason. Here you can see elephants have a long trunk that help them to break branches and leaves of trees. They also use their trunk like a straw to suck water. You can see over here the baby elephant with its trunk. It is trying to drink water. So their trunk is just like a straw for them. Now, some special feeding habits. Which are the special feeding habits? You can see leeches and mosquitoes feed on blood of other animals. So here you can see leech and here you can see mosquito. and we experience, at least mosquito we all have experienced, right? Earthworms eat soil which has parts of dead plants and animals. They live in soil and they have their food from soil only. And which they are having? They are having the parts of dead animals and animals. So they eat soil and get their nutrition. And here butterfly, this is a special feeding process. That is, butterfly use a long sucking tube to suck nectar from flower known as proboscis. You can see in the picture how the butterfly is just putting its, yes, tube-like material and they are sucking the nectar, which is known as proboscis. Hummingbird has a long straw-like beak to suck nectar from flower. So these are the different processes we use to have food. Like we can see in this picture how cat, dog, they drink their milk and their water. Just see, they lick it, right? So they lap the milk or water with their tongue. In this manner, they have their food. Now, how we should care of animals? Care of animals should include farm animals should be fed fodder, oil cakes and other healthy food along with water. So we can see variety of animal foods which keep them healthy. So we should give them this type of food and in a very clean way. So vessels in which food is being given should be clean. So we can see that how nicely animals are having their food. A veterinary doctor should be called to treat sick animals. So they also need doctors. They can also feel uneasy. They can also feel fall sick. So obviously they are also having doctors. So people should call doctors when their animals are not feeling well. So if you want some online classes, you can register for my online classes. Link has been given in the description box. Thank you for subscribing. Have a nice day.